What's up, builders? I'm going to pull the Mini Cooper into the garage and get the valve cover gasket placed on it. So, and it's cold today. It's 5 degrees. So we got the heater going in the background. Let me pull the Mini Cooper in. Our heater going. Okay, so the Mini Cooper has been burning oil. Hit 151,000 miles, burning oil, and you can smell the burnt oil inside the cab or inside the car. So pretty sure it's the valve cover that's leaking. And I think replacing that would keep it from leaking as much. Also, the oil pan has been leaking too after I hit something in the road. I think it was a wheel chock. Not sure, but that was probably about a year ago. But I've been leaking oil ever since, and replacing the valve cover is I think it's the fix for it. So you can see the oil leaking out the sides. So, replace the valve cover gasket, and we'll see how that's going to go. I'm going to follow a video I found on YouTube on how to do all that. So, as soon as I get warmed up in here, if I ever get warmed up, I'm going to get started on that. Gasket I've got is the FEL-PRO. Let's see, part number, I guess that's BS50763R. Easy to leak spots. I've got some RCB silicone. Alright, I got the valve cover hooked up down here. I'm going to put the new gasket inside of it and then throw it back onto the Mini Cooper engine. All right, with the valve cover gasket replaced, I'm gonna move on to the oil pan because it is leaking too. Oh, it's so tiny. Pretty cool. Even comes with a new drain plug. We got the oil pan. Hello? Hello? Who is it? What do you guys want? You want to talk to me? Yeah. What do you want?
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, are you doing a video?
I was.
Yeah.
What you up to? Look at it. Oh no. Ew. Hopefully I can spend some time in here and clean this up. Yikes. Okay, well, I got the oil pan off of the Mini Cooper, and I'm going to get the new oil pan up underneath it. Before I do, I'm going to modify a socket so that I don't have to use a wrench to get two of those bolts. The exhaust manifold came down and it was right in the way of two bolts, so I used a wrench. But I'm not going to install it with a wrench. I'm going to modify a socket, maybe cut a socket down, one of the extra 8mm, make it work. And yeah. Alright, got the oil pan put back on the Mini Cooper, and by reading the manual and looking at what people are doing online, they just use RTV silicone. They don't even use a gasket to replace the oil pan. So I just have an extra gasket. If it comes down to it and I need to go back down there and take the silicone back off and then use the actual gasket, but the manual, Climbers or Haynes or manual even suggested using silicone. So I will let that cure for another hour, and then I'll give it another torque down to the specified torque settings, and then I will not fill it up until tomorrow to let it feel fully cured. So yeah, I will go ahead and clean up and probably lower the, I guess I won't lower the carb just yet, but once I wait the hour, torque my oil pan bolts down, then I'll lower the carb back down. And then tomorrow I will put oil into it and see if it still leaks. Hopefully it won't. Fingers crossed.
RCX builds it.
Was able to build this in a
Garage. with a box of scraps!
So far so good. I'm not smelling any more fumes as I'm driving. I'll have to take it home after about a 3 or 4 mile trip. Look back underneath the engine bay and confirm no oil leaks. All right. I can't decide what I'm more excited about. Being able to drive the car and that I put everything back in correct and it runs and drives. I don't smell that oil burning in the car, or the fact that I don't see any leaks on there. So, and I put everything back the way it should be. Only time will tell whether or not it's going to leak or not, but right now it looks pretty good. And I'll be back on the road with it. I appreciate you guys watching. Catch y'all in the next one.